Hello everybody, Audrey here. Today I'm excited to share with you how to make Hong Kongese Claypot rice. The crust is my favorite. See how crispy and nice it is. Here is 150 grams of rice for one serving. I am using 2 clay pots to cook 2 servings. Rinse the rice and soak it in the water. The ratio of rice to water is 1:1. The cup I'm using is from the rice cooker. 1 cup give me 150 grams. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the rice and mix a little, then soak it for 10 minutes. While the rice is soaking, we will prepare some toppings. I am using preserved Chinese-style sausage and the pork. They are very classic in clay pot rice. Now we can tell the rice has absorbed most of the water. Adding oil to the rice is to prevent sticking to the bottom. I highly recommend to use the gas stove since it produces the perfect crust. Adjust it to medium heat and cook about 5 minutes. Now the water is totally absorbed. It's time to add our sausage and the pork. Now let's cook 15 minutes more. Add some oil, align the pot. This will prevent sticking and the key to get a crunchy golden crust. I like to have an egg with my rice. Garnish with some green vegetable and the sauce. The perfect clay pot rice with crunchy golden crust is ready. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.